In this video, I will show you how to make profit on expert option. So for this case, I have in here my balance. So let's trade in here around $100. So in order to make profit, you can actually utilize the investment, selling, and buying as well as the deal duration right here. So the most minimal is actually 30 seconds. Let's head over and then buy something. So as you can see, I have bought $100 of this particular stock of Euro and USD. And once it reached the end of the screen line and if it stays above the line, that means that I have earned something. So let's hope that we actually earn something through this case right here. So let's hope that it stays to the top just like this. And you can see in here the actual earning for that particular amount. So let's just wait for this. And then once it's done, you can see that I have earned $189 with this particular trade.